the squared circle. As I was trying to show yesterday in my last video, how this configuration has a couple of things going on in there. Like, is it a square or is it a circle? It can kind of be both. But as I was saying yesterday, I noticed something in here where I think the squared circle is to be found in this configuration. It just depends on what angle you're looking at it. There you can see the most of that circle there, right? This circle being in the red, and when you tilt it this way, it's not quite a circle because obviously the surface area are all at different angles, different slopes. And so there you can see it's a circle. There you can see it's a circle. And at the same time, when you see the circle, you don't see the square. But as you tilt it that way, you see the square. But then now the circle's a bit off, but that's just because of the different slopes on it, because this is not flat. And so, but if you were to undo this and match these pieces accordingly, right, you would get a squared circle. You can see the circle there, but then you see that it's not a square. But there is a square. And I was saying yesterday, from the middle there, as you can see the corner there, to the middle of that, to down there, to that one, the four corners, you get a square. And it runs through the middle of there, it runs through right in the middle of there. And the other thing, which I pointed out incorrectly yesterday, was, where's my little, I'll just use my finger here. The circle goes right to the top, right to the edge, not to the corner. That's the point I wanted to also correct from yesterday. And then you get that. That's more of the correct placement of the circle. So that's really neat. It's interesting, and I just thought, what would the odds be that I were to find a squared circle in this configuration?